Hey everybody, it's Sherry from the Crafty Decorator. Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm just doing a quick pre-recorded video because I want to show you something really cute. And you're going to use these from the Dollar Tree. These are add your own message. They're just a little ceramic sign holder. You really have to check them because some of them are chipped and pitted, and so you really have to look at them when you're buying them. But first thing you do is peel this sticker off. Then I cleaned it with alcohol, just rubbing alcohol just to make sure all the residue and everything was off it. Then I took them outside. Now I spray painted this one, this heirloom white. You know I love my heirloom white. I spray painted heirloom white. And this one, how cute is this color? This is vintage teal, and I think I'm going to do my truck in this color. This is vintage teal. It took me like 2 coats, and I had to flip it this way too to get the bottom. So, okay, then after I did that, you know me, I don't trust the paint. So I used my matte clear sealer from Rust-Oleum. Okay, I have to show you. They're so cute. Okay, did you see all the cute stickers in Dollar Tree? These are rub-ons. I was trying to find the rub-ons. They have the birds. They have all of these words. I found these pretty vintage looking ones. I also found this one, but this is too big for my project. But how pretty is this one? I am telling you, Dollar Tree is stepping up their game. Okay, so I cut family out of this one. And look how cute this little sign is to place on your cabinet or your 3-tiered or 2-tiered tray or anywhere on your kitchen windowsill, anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to show you. After spraying, now here was my boo-boo here. First, I tried to paint around because it needed an outline, and I didn't like the paint. It was too hard. Then I was using my black Sharpie, and I like the Sharpie, but I went too thick on it. See it? I went too thick. These are the Dollar Tree teacup, butterfly. So you just need to go thin around it. How cute is this? How cute would this be to give for a Mother's Day gift? I'm going to show you. Now, Hobby Lobby's got some awesome stickers. We are going to see how a sticker works on this one. These are family phrase sticker packs. This was $6.99, but I got it for $3.50, half off, and I believe Paper Studio is half off this week. I believe it is. So there's Mother's Day in here. There's Father's Day. There's just together we make a family. There's no place like home. Family, a gift that lasts forever. I mean, they're just so pretty. This one says, let's see, I want to pick a good one. Let's see. Mommy and me, we're older. So there's Mother Knows Best. I got to pick something that's going to fit. How about There's No Friend Like a Mother? So these ones are not rub-on. These are just stickers. So we're going to see how this looks on here. Because it's a clear. It's clear. I'm going to try to center it here. We could add flowers to it. Okay. Need to push on it good there. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now, we might want a flower or something on there. So these are my Dollar Tree rub-ons. I'm trying to see what will fit. I'm trying to see if there's a flower that would fit. Maybe this little flower here might fit. Okay, these are rub-ons. So you cut what you want out. Now, I would lay them on here first to make sure it's going to fit. Then you peel your back off, this white part. and you place it. Whoa. You place it where you want it. So let's see here. If I go, okay, if I go like there, then I use one of my craft popsicle stick things here, and you rub on it. You can use your fingernail, it says, but I use the craft stick. Give it a good rubbing and peel it back. And I got a flower on there. Now, can I put another flower up in the other corner? Let's see. Let's see if this will fit. I think I could get that on there. I'm going to cut around it a little bit. All right. I got to show you the cool bicycle ones. I got at Hobby Lobby. But they're just stickers. They're not rub-ons. Okay, I need to see how I'm going to get this to fit in here. Okay. I'm going to rub it on. Just give it a good rubbing. And then I'm going to peel it off. And look how cute. Look how cute. Okay, then just take your black Sharpie. And see, it needs an outline. It's too blah without an outline. And I just go around in the center. I just go around in the center there. It definitely needs an outline. Now it's easier to set it down and go around. Let's see. Oh my God, how cute is this? How cute is that? And then you could flip it around and have family one day. You could turn it around and have mother the other day. There's no friend like a mother. I think that is so sweet. Okay, you can also draw your line first across if you want. I want to show you this. Look at this pack of stickers. Oh, this. I don't know why they put that on the thing. Okay, look how pretty these are. And I am thinking I am going to love this love one with the teal. I want to see what this looks like. Like I said, these are just a sticker. And these are also Paper Studio. And they were $2.99. So $1.50. $1.50 they would be. I already did my line around this teal for this side. Now let's see. Oh gosh, I think this is going to be so pretty. Okay. You can paint these any color you would like. That's what's really cool about it. Oh God, that's so pretty. Look at that one. How pretty is that? All right, let's see on the other side. Okay, so that was this one. And like I said, these are $2.99, so they'd be $1.50. They're by Paper Studio. You could see them better with the paper behind it. How cute are these? Okay, now I found these ones also. I'm going to have to go to... I am going to have to go to Hobby Lobby and get more stickers because I want to give some of these away. But these would be like, $1.75, I think. $1.75. They'd be half off. How cute are those? Look at the bicycle. Look at the bicycle. So I want to try this teal on the teal. Let's see. And you get two. You get one. You get two of those. Now, I was thinking, oh gosh, this is our happy ever after would be pretty. But I'm going to try the bicycle. And I think I want thankful on there. And look how cute is this going to be? I think it's so cute. Okay, I'm going to put my bicycle on first. Oh, I bet you excuse me, if you were going to do, like this is our happily ever after, I bet you gold around there would be so pretty. Gold and teal are so pretty together. I don't have a gold. I'm going to have to get a gold one. I am thinking, okay, putting the bicycle on first. Oh, how cute is the bicycle? And then I wanted thankful on there with the butterfly. So let's see. I think I want to put it not center over the bicycle. I want to put it to the side. Oh, look. Look how pretty. I wish I had a gold marker. All right. I don't know if I have a gold. Well, this one's black would be better, I think. Gold would be good with this is our happily ever after. So I am going to do my line. Whoops. Do your line around. They make Sharpies in all different colors. It could even be like a gold paint marker. Oh, goodness. How cute is this? Okay. All right. So I just wanted to jump on, do a quick pre-recorded, just to give you this cute idea. Oh, gosh. I'm really loving the colors in that love with the teal. And how cute is the bicycle with thankful. And this is so sweet. There's no friend like a mother and the family. These are great little gifts, guys. These would be really cute for a bridal shower. And if you did the happily ever after, together we have it all. There's really cute things that you could get to do. Even for baby showers would be cute. Okay. That's it for now. I will talk to y'all later. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Saturday, I'm going to pick 2 people on Saturday, and I'm going to give you each of you 2 of these, and then I'm going to put some stickers together. I have these Dollar Tree ones. I want to go get some of these other ones. Look at Bless This Home you could do. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had these birdie ones. How cute would the birdies be? All right, well, I'm going to try to put some stickers together, and you guys can give this a try. I hope you like this. If you like it, just decorate the page, and I'm going to pick 2 people on Saturday to receive some stickers and 2 each of these. And you can paint them and make them your own. Okay, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bye.